Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on Motorola Moto G9. So you have to start with opening your internet browser. Now click on search bar and you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yahoo.com. Now you have to search something using your custom search engine. And now click here and go to settings. Now click on search engine, and here we recently visited you have yahoo.com, and you can select that and then click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to Yahoo. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.